What's up guys, Brooke from Battle Arms Development again. This time coming with some more knowledge on how to install the Badass Pro safety selector. Alright, it's going to come with your levers here, your center, and in the center you'll have your two set screws. I just backed them out to make this a little bit quicker. And then your safety detent and the spring here. Very important pieces, I'll tell you about that later. And also instructions, which 40% of you guys are just going to do that with anyways. So let's get started. So on here you have your two dots. The furthest two dots will be your 90-degree throw. All right, your standard mil-spec throw, and then your 60-degree throw are the two closer together dots. So I'm going to go old school and I'm going to put this in with the 90 degrees. You just slide it in here. All right. You want the throw dots facing down, it'll make it just a little bit easier. Then you're going to take and put blue or green Loctite on your set screws and put them all the way in flush. That way it'll make it a little bit easier on you to install the levers. And then after your Loctite's on there, put your levers on there. You just slide over. Slide on there like so. And then the torque spec for this is about 10 inch pounds. So it's not a lot. All right, you just back it out, snug it up, and then let the Loctite do all the work. Same thing for the short throw. It's good to note that if you're installing this on an already built AR platform, do not use the detent that originally came with your gun. Use the one that we send you, because if you install the other one, it'll be floppy. You won't get positive click when throwing the selector lever, and you're gonna call me and be like, oh, your product sucks, when it doesn't. You just installed the wrong part. So we're good to go. We'll give it a little test there. Safe, nice positive click. Fire, again, nice positive click. Do it a couple times and feel it. There's very little play, next to none actually. So that's how you install it. Hope to see you guys next time.